1 in every 6 Kenyans aged between 15 and 65 years has used or is currently using a drug. These are worrying statistics from the National Authority for the Campaign Against Alcohol and Drug Abuse 2022 report. Informed by this worrying trend, the Office of the Dean of Students at the University of Nairobi, in collaboration with the O3+ and other key partners, organized the Drug Control and Substance Abuse Workshop at the University of Nairobi. The event aimed to create awareness, provide alternative approaches to drug abuse, and share testimonies on the progress of this fight.
We are having a problem of alcohol and drug abuse, and we notice that problem is rising within the university.
Having had a history of taking drugs, one form of drugs or another, and at least 20% of first-year students are still in active use of various substances.
To ensure proper understanding of the topic, attendees were exposed to the root causes of drug and substance abuse, their effects, the current statistics, and the various drugs and the forms in which they were commonly abused. The meeting participants were encouraged to take on alternative, meaningful activities such as engaging in sports and developing hobbies to better utilize their free time instead of resorting to drugs for comfort.
I lost someone really close to me and I couldn't cope with that, or I didn't know how to cope with it, so I turned to alcohol and drugs for comfort, and it spiraled down. I found myself deep into the darkest
class, so nilisema acha ni try out weed nione kama itani help ku concentrate more. Even ndivyo nilijipata kwa drug.
Emphasizing the fact that it is never too late to make a right decision, Helga Okoko and John Cena shared their journey of how they were lured into drugs, struggled through it, and emerged victorious, a testament of what a change of mind.
Kwa hostel nikismoke na security. So hii issue ili escalate kafika kwa halls manager, na alikuwa attached na story yangu na reason ya mimi kutumia drugs, akaamua kunitake side animate.
That stern action would be taken against anyone who dared to take the university on that retrogressive
weapons of mass destruction, because we want to make this campus a safe campus.
Hospitals here in the UN, where we have those qualified medics who are able to guide this maybe someone who has been much affected either into drugs or maybe into gender-based violence.
The conference ended on a high note, with both attendees and the administration pledging to make follow-up workshops to fully stem out the issue. Reporting for UNC TV, my name is Anne Tunyari.
UNC TV, empowering you.